Hey guys, how y'all doing? My name is Brian, and today I'm gonna talk about a bit of my journey with testosterone. For those who don't know me, I'm FTM transgender, and today is my 5 months on testosterone, which feels insane because I feel like I started only a couple weeks ago. Like last time I made an update was at my 2 months. I think not even 2 months on T, and it feels like it passed so quick in between. Like literally today, I didn't even realize it was my 5 months until I looked at the date. Like about oh shit, wait, gotta bring the dog in. Yeah, until I look at the date and I was like, damn, isn't there something on the 16 usually? And I was like, damn, it's my T date. Fuck is weird. Okay, I got the dog. So yeah, like now usually I used to wait for the 16 every day because I was like, damn, I'm so excited to be like 1 month, 2 month, 3 months on T. But now I just feel normal and I don't think about it every single moments of my day like I used to. Um, yeah, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do a video about it because I feel like I want to take the time to think about it sometimes because I don't know, like I feel like that's important to do. Yeah, but I don't want to sit here and like list you all the changes because, dude, I'm just going through male puberty. Like, you know what the changes are. My voice is getting deeper. My hairline, my body. I don't know, dude. I'm just going through puberty at 20, which fucking sucks. I feel like a lot of times I feel like I'm behind the other guys because I'm not fully developed. I just can't wait to look my age, basically. Oh my god, I just can't wait to look my age and not look like I'm 15. I don't know. I guess I should talk about my changes. My voice has deepened a lot since last time I made a video, and it's honestly fucking great. I haven't been misgender in a while. It happened like once in the last month. I think it happened once in the last 2-3 months, and that's a lot because of my voice. Like I used to get misgender a lot, like because of my voice. Like they would be like, "Sir," and then I would speak, and they would be like, "Oh, I'm sorry, ma'am," and I was like, "Dude, what the fuck? Just stop." But now, my voice doesn't give me away anymore, which is great. Um, Also, my body has widened a lot, like my shoulders, my chest and my stomach. They're just like a bit wider. I look a bigger, even though I'm still skinny as shit. But that's just how I'm gonna look my whole life because my dad is so skinny, which isn't that bad. I just wish I could grow muscles. Um, I've gotten a lot hairier, especially on my legs, which is okay. I don't know what to say about that. Um, I feel like my face has changed. I do feel like I have a bit of a jaw, but it's hard to tell. Like, how do you? I don't know. I should like do comparison pictures maybe to see the difference, cause it's hard to tell just like that, to be honest. Yeah, my hairline. I feel like it's more like male pattern. Hopefully, it's not receding. I don't really know. Hopefully, it's not receding because my dad is getting is getting bald, so I don't want to like start receding early. I should maybe ask him when he started receding. I'm scared. Um, I've had a couple beard hair, like actual dark beard hair, which is exciting. but like all over, like I have some like fuzz. All over I have like the fuck. My phone's acting out. Okay. Yeah, I have a bit of fuzz all over, which means that I will be able to grow a beard in the future, hopefully. I just can't wait for it to darken out. I only have like a couple dark areas like here, like one here, for now, which is exciting. For a bit I had like one long dark hair here, and that was really exciting. Like really exciting. But it's gone. I don't know where it went, but it's gone. Yeah, it just feels fucking weird to be going through those changes at 20. I just wish it happened before, but dude, there's things you can change, and at least I'm able to make it happen now, and I'm so grateful for it. I just can't wait for the changes to settle and not being like in that in between phase anymore. Like, yeah, I'm just can't wait. Like, I can't wait for those acne bursts to go away and like the voice cracks and just like be a normal dude without having to worry about all of that, to be honest. Yeah, and overall it made me a lot more confident that this is the right choice, because right now it doesn't feel weird. It just feels like it's what it should it's what it should have what it's what should have happened from the beginning. And I just feel more and more normal and just myself, and I don't have to worry about everything anymore. Well, that's not true. I worry about a lot, but whatever. Yeah, what else? What other changes? Like a normal teenage boy, I'm more horny. I'm more sweaty than I was. I'm more hungry too, a lot. I gained a bit of of weights, but it doesn't show as much. I just look more bulky without being like fat. Yeah. What else could I say? Food. Yeah, I don't want to make this awkward, but I don't know what to say. Yeah, also, like, I feel like, my hands and, my legs too, actually, my feet are more, like, veiny, which I like. I don't know, it's weird. Yeah, this is my dog. His name is Chico. So yeah, this is my 5 months on testosterone. Dude, I'm almost half a year now, which is crazy. Yeah, I just can't wait for the changes to be over, so I can just become cis. No, I don't know, just stop worrying about all that trend stuff and just be normal. So yeah, this is my 5 months. Follow me on Instagram for more updates. I don't know. Okay, wait, stop. My dog's being no. Go away. And yeah. See y'all on the next update.